In this video, you will learn how to script engaging YouTube video content but without any actual content. Yes, today we're talking 100% structure and 0% content. Let's go.
For your next act, Mr. Markus Seppälä!
How's it going? My name is Markus Seppälä. I'm a stand-up comedian and TEDx speaker, helping you bring more fun to the corporate stage. The value proposition on my channel goes here, and now I'm asking you to subscribe. Today we're talking about 0% content and 100% structure. But please stay tuned to the end of the video where I'm going to answer the question that you actually came here for. Remember, there are links to the products in the description below, but because there is no content, there are also no products. After that brief introduction, I'm going to give you an overview of the structure of this video and then jump immediately into my first point. The first point is also where I'm going to deliver most of the valuable content to you. And as soon as you get a little bit of value, I'm also going to ask you to like this video. The second point is going to be my weakest point, but it is important that there is some valuable information even in the second point. The third point is going to be a bit different. Either a little bit funny or something that you didn't really expect to see in this video. The fourth point doesn't exist. There's never 4 points. You can have 3 or 5 or 7, you can have 10 points, you can have 16 points, but 4, no, you cannot have 4 points. I'm gonna jump into my recommendation in just a moment, but before that, I will insert one more call to action. Please subscribe to my channel for more tips just like this. In this portion, I'm going to answer the question that I teased at the beginning of the video. Because audience retention is such an important metric for online video, you should never telegraph when the video is about to end.